Hello and welcome to the unboxing, or should I say the unpacking of the Sprinto VH45 HD clip collar mic. This is the package in which this particular mic comes in. There is no information on it. This is a very basic plastic package. I'm going to take out the mic and show you what it looks like. So there you go. This is what you find inside the pack. This is a lavalier clip mic, or a lapel mic as it is called. So I will show you how long it is. This is around, let me quickly see, this is around 2 meters long. This is a PVC cable with a 3.5 mm jack on one end. On this end this is the mic. This comes with this windshield as well. This is a lapel mic. The idea is that you clip it to your t-shirt or shirt, underneath your t-shirt or shirt when you want to use it, and you do the clipping using this particular clip. There you can see. This can also be used using a smartphone. So all you have to do is insert the 3.5 mm jack in the 3.5 mm port of your smartphone, and you're basically good to go now. When you want to record any sound, suppose you want to record a sound, you just go to the sound recorder, you start pressing record, and you talk into the mic like so, and you're good to go. And this is it. This is what you find inside the pack containing the Sprinto VH45 HD clip collar mic. Thank you for watching.